Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset Vivo V21 smartphone. Okay, this is helpful for those who have forgot their password. Okay, so you can see you have entered the wrong pin 10 times. Please try again in 30 seconds. Okay, to hard reset, first power off your smartphone. Just tap on power off. Okay, now it is successfully power off. Now press and hold volume up and power key together for a few seconds. And release. And now here you can see Vivo 5G fast boot. Okay, now volume rocker is to move up and down, and power button to select. Okay, now go to recovery mode and select. So you can see this is the Vivo 5G recovery mode. Okay, now tap on clear data, and you can see clear cache and clear all data. Okay, now tap on clear all data. So here you can see clear all data. Only phone system data will be cleared. Music, photos and other user data will not be deleted. Okay, now tap on OK. So you can see cleaning data. Do not operate the device. It might take some time. So you can see cleared, all data cleared. Now tap on return and go back, and you can shut down or restart the device. You can see restart your phone, tap on OK. And after the hard reset, it might take some time to boot up. So guys, this is the method to hard reset Vivo V21 smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for latest updates.